can't be me, being one of those ones, nah, who doesn't get shit done. Wonder why they never won. Nah, I can't be me, letting time go to waste. Nah, sitting around all day, never making shit shake. Nah, I can't be me. Gotta get it how I got it. Always on go, I ain't about to.
Alright, so I might have messed up. I might have messed up. Wait, hold on. Yeah. I started the stream and my desktop audio was recording, and so it started recording my music, so it's gonna get copyright claim on YouTube unless I edit it out or I just can't monetize it, but it doesn't really matter because I make like barely pennies. Alright, what do we got this morning? Because these gappers look like trash. You guys got anything? You guys got anything more important or anything more attractive this morning? Bullish or bearish today? That's a good question because Tesla, I am bearish every day Tesla until I get a pullback. I think they all missed earnings yesterday, right? Morning, everybody. J Hart, first one in here, like always. Long SPY 410. I think if we don't hold 410, SPY goes down to 407. But, morning to Mimi, Gorney, morning Deepak. Hey, mate, from Australia. What's up, man? Time is it over there? Brian, good morning. Corey, Chicago, Tech and Money. Fashawn, Rome C, good morning, everybody. Everybody on Tradecaster. Was that this morning, Amy? Yep, that was this morning. Good morning, Amy. You're the only one on Tradecaster, Amy. You're the only one. Only one. Only one. I think bears. Time for a pullback. That's what I'm thinking. What button do you have to click on this on to see the gaps on Thinkorswim? I use a different software for that. You have to set up a scanner on Thinkorswim if you want to use that, but I use a different software. Okay, this song is trash. What the heck is this? Let's see. What should I listen to? So yeah, I'm gonna try to not keep my bias the same all day long, but I'm kind of looking for Tesla to pull back at least to 180, which is, $4 from now. But the other thing is 180 is gonna have a lot of support on Tesla. It's like 181. It's got a lot of support on Tesla. Wait, why is this different numbers? Oh no, 180, 78, yeah. But here's what I'm looking at it. So I looked at the bigger time frame. I look at the 1 hour or the 4 hour. The 4 hour, I think the 1 hour is a little cleaner. But this is Tesla, right? Off the lows of 101, it keeps running, keeps running, keeps running. This is that support that I'm telling you guys right here. If this does not break through this level, it could also bounce again. Right here, 180, 180.7, 180.80. and it's founding a low there yesterday after hours, pre-market this morning, and then it's going back down to that level. If we crack this level and get on the backside, I'll look for a little pullback here. If we hold this, shoot, I have no idea if this is gonna go up 200 this time for real. Like if we hold 180, 181 this morning right here, shoot, this thing actually might go up one more attempt. But this area right here is where I'm looking at it. So this 180. 180.7, 80.9, so 181 almost, all the way up to like a 182. This whole area right here, looking to it, looking to see if it wants to catch a bounce now, because I wanted to go down to that area, which is this area right here. It could bounce there, it could go through that level, but my job today is not to guess which direction it goes. My job is going to see if I can take a trade to catch the move down to that level, and then if it breaks, I'm already in it. If it bounces, then I take my profit. So I'm gonna see if I can get a nice pop, and see if I can get a short down to that level, and at least see if we get the bounce, the retest, or we just end up flushing and create a red candle back on down on Tesla. But I have no idea. So SPY also is going to depend a little bit on SPY. I think SPY holding that 410 is going to be pretty important, but even if it doesn't hold 410, I could see it down to 407 and still look somewhat bullish to me. Yeah, like 407 to 40. Well, yeah, 407 would be the least. If this thing goes on at 407, I don't like that. Morning, Didi. Morning, everybody else on TikTok. I'll call you guys out here in a second. Over on YouTube, Romeo, what's up? Brent Carr, Tech and Money. Hi, Romeo and Brent. What small caps? Tech and Money 45 on HSCS. I was gonna say, what small caps are you guys looking at this morning? Because I don't see anything. The only one that looks somewhat interesting but needs volume is PXMD. What's up, Random? Business. I want to learn bull trap at open, then down the rest of the day. Whoever said they want to learn 4-7 SPY, let's go. My personal opinion. Happy Friday, everybody. Appreciate it. If you want to learn, I do offer a course. I stream free, so you guys can see that I do make money doing this. But I do offer a course. Discount is 150 off, no spaces. So 150 OFF. The link is in the TikTok bio, YouTube bio, and all of that. So, morning Blair, morning Rosendo. All gappers gap down. All gappers faded down already. HSCS making pushing to VWAP. Let me see. The only one that looks maybe a little interesting. Well, HSCS actually looks somewhat interesting. Popped up to a new high of 288. That's the best. So this one at least hold 220 area from the daily. Ideally this one over 265 again. HSCS. But then it's really closable. You could get a break of $3. PXMD is the only one that it looks a little decent-ish. Doesn't look bad. Just doesn't have enough volume, I think. Let me put this one here though. HSCS. And then the other one, which I also don't. The setup on the daily looks good, but pre-market today it already looking pretty bad. Is BGXX. If you look at BGXX on the daily, that's a perfect inside bar candle play. But look at this pulling down all the way. This thing has to almost hang out a little bit higher. If this would have been up here like 140s, 150s, this one would have been a very good setup to take long. So you take that long from 140, 150 inside bar play. You're looking for high days, which in this scenario is almost 188, $2. So you can get a nice 30-40 cent scalp there, or 30-40 cent trade there. What's going on, bro? How'd you end up the day yesterday? I was down like 1.6 on the day, and then I made it all the way back up to a high of $800, and then I gave some back and decided to call it. I should have kept trading some, but I couldn't just because I had such a weird day yesterday. But some of this fades on Tesla here were so clean at the end of the day. This whole move right here, like this is I mean, obviously I wouldn't have expected that, but look, this is easy break a trend line. There's a little consolidation. That's where you go short, short, short. Another flag right over VWAP short. This flag was a little bit bigger, but it was under that 190 level that was pretty important all morning. So this 190 rejection and rejection and rejection. Same thing here under 190. There's 190. Whoa, it's the wrong tool. Right here under 190. Gosh dang it. Okay, 190, 190, 190, 190. Could have taken another short. And then yesterday I did mention Tesla wanted to short down to 183 almost because it would close the gap yesterday, and that was this whole move right there. It went straight all the way down to that close the gap fill. Literally bottom ticked it and then went back up. I didn't trade it though. But that was a clean, like this whole move was clean. And I wasn't here, so. Wow, boy, now you're running calls in NVIDIA today? Dang, I mean, we could still run. Let me see NVIDIA. Wow, boy, do you just take the trade, like, out of the gates? Like, you just think today's going to be green, so you take them out of the trades, out of the morning, or you actually wait for a setup to show up and you take it there and stuff? Can I take a look at Vino? Oh, actually, I should have looked at that one. That was a runner yesterday. So Vino, strong day yesterday. It was kind of like later in the day, power hour. The only thing I can think of is it hit the 200 moving average perfectly on the daily. Hit 200 moving average, and I think this pulled back more than it should have. This should have held $4. I think this should be at 430s for it to look decent for a setup today. I'm gonna put 425 and put an alert. Sometimes when they make this big of a move, they're just gonna consolidate today and then make the run tomorrow. So if this goes sideways here and kind of tries to push up to 4 but holds this area, then maybe tomorrow or power hour today. Morning, Zach. Morning, everybody else. If I missed it, Justin. Oh, that was you. Good morning. Fat G actually looking like a halt at open potential. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys hit the like button before we start trading. I saw you go from negative 1600 to 200 in the day early, but good. And then the day green. Thanks, man. Thanks. Hopefully today I can get a nice green day. There goes HSCS. We have PMI in 30 minutes. It's at 9 a.m. You're gonna have to remember me that. You're gonna have to remind me of that. Not remember me, remind me of that. I'll try to remember, but so at 9 in the morning we have more news. 30 minutes after market opens, right? Man, that's so upsetting, dude. Why can't we just trade the markets in peace? HSCS actually not looking bad. Tesla, I hope this thing tries to push up. I have just kind of a simple level here between yesterday and today. Well, that's not the right one. Oh, yeah. Like 187.84. Oh, you just got another piece of HSCS? Good stuff, good stuff. SPY, I mean, like the same thing with Tesla and on SPY. I'm looking Tesla. I know there's support at 180. SPY, you know there's support at 410. So maybe we just get some trades down to those levels on both stocks. So as far as shorts as well, I'm not sure what I like. HSCS to me the daily. I mean, maybe it could be backside unless this thing squeezes shorts like crazy and goes right back up to highs. Well, technically it's already back to highs, you know, but if this goes $3, 3.2, then maybe this thing just wants to keep running. Daily levels still have room. Oh, actually, daily level is that 288. Huh. We got about a minute left till market opens. HSCS is okay. It does look like it wants to push out of the gates. Man, everything else is bad. I guess I could put Vino somewhere in here. Oh no, Vino was too sold off. I put an alert on it, right? Yeah, put alert on Vino. So I mean, this is upsetting Thomas. Hey Juan, are you covering parts of your screen on purpose? Looks odd. Just checking. No, I shouldn't be. No, the only thing. Oh, it's the momentum gapper and halt scanner. It should fix itself when market opens. When market opens, you guys can see my momentum scanner on screen, and you guys can see my halt scanner on screen. All right, market is open. Let's see what we got. PXMD tried to push right before market open and flushing. HSCS might be the only one you get a nice push, but getting stuffed, getting stuffed. SPY is pushing and Tesla's not, so already weird stuff. You think bulls will use today as a dip opportunity since we haven't had one? Oh yeah, yeah. Did it fix itself, Thomas? You know what I'm talking about now? Tesla pushing out of the gates, Nvidia dropping. Maybe I just need to not look at other stocks while I trade Tesla, because sometimes I'm like, oh, Nvidia and Amazon, all of these stocks, I'm like, they're strong. SPY's hitting highs, Amazon is getting highs, Nvidia's about to break out, and then I look at Tesla and Tesla's like dropping, or vice versa. Like I'm going short on everything else is short, and I'm going short on Tesla, and then Tesla's ripping. Small caps right now, I don't see anything, guys, so I'm gonna look at Tesla. I could see the short on Tesla, but I'm not gonna jump stupidly here. I could see this up to 187.30s right now. HSCS, big stuff. PXMD cannot get over VWAP. Tesla, this move is kind of looking extended. Right up to VWAP. It's making me want to take a short here. Nvidia right back up though. No shorts yet, no trades yet. HSCS, nothing. Momentum scanner is live for you guys as well. You guys can take a look at that. HSCS doing nothing, so I'm sitting on my hands right now. Tesla's still pushing, going up to 187.84. I have a tiny level here, but I don't quite trust it that much. Vino, let me look at Vino. Vino, I would like Vino over $4. I will be very surprised if Tesla goes back up to $200 today. Gene moving. Gene had an offering, so I don't think. I mean, you can scalp it the way you traded Fat G, but I don't know that that's one stock that I would trade like that. So I already did a good job of not jumping into short on Tesla here just because I thought it was extended. So I'm being patient here. I think maybe the first trade on Tesla yesterday I might have rushed it. So HSCS recovers 265. Could look interesting, especially if it squeezes really fast, like it's trying to do right now. HSCS might try to squeeze too high here. So I was looking for the break of 3, but 295 had a big rejection already. It's holding though. $298. Looking for the break of 3 on HSCS. There's 3. There's a break. Weak break-ish. Could bounce 288. Could go for another leg. I am literally break even on this trade. Oh, never mind. I'm down on this trade now. Could still go for another move through $3. It broke 3 but didn't move that much. I just got a bad fill on this. I should have entered back here and down there. As soon as it showed, it wanted to squeeze. No, this is $6. Wow. Man, Tesla actually is looking strong still. Look at this Tesla move. So 191.26 level here is kind of pre-market high. Oh my gosh, and then HSCS just broke out. Finally broke out. Maybe some of you guys got it, because I was trying to get that one and was in it, but it went without me afterwards. There you go, Blair. There you go. You got that. So Tesla, little pre-market high here. I took a trade on HSCS, but made like $6. Tesla's looking strong though. I couldn't see if this thing wants to close another strong 5-minute candle. Oh my gosh, Easy Money's up $900 on HSCS already. Dang, man. RSLS. RSLS had news yesterday. I think they canceled their offering, and that's why they ran. Tesla, to me, is still looking like a nice, strong push. I could see if this thing really wants to keep running. I would like a little more pullback to see if we break this pre-market high. Tesla hasn't had a single red candle this morning. If it has to have a pullback, I can see the pullback right here at this 191 level. Dang, I did not think Tesla was going to move like this. So if it gets past this 181, this 191, sorry. Shoot. Back up to 195, I could see, but HSCS, I was looking to short that thing after that pop, and it didn't really squeeze, but the locates were pretty expensive, so I didn't hit anything. I could see Tesla have a little pullback around this area, though. I could see it still running, but I think it needs a little bit of a cool-off moment here. Kind of just rejecting pre-market high there. So you see a lot of buyers still slurping that move there on Tesla. That's still buyers in here. That dip got bought up real quick. I made $200 there on the move down, but that thing got bought up real quick. SPY is still pushing. Rome C, did you ever get your Blair's gonna call it. Hey, that's smart, Blair. You just get $100 green and get out. Enjoy the weekend, man. What was I gonna say? Rome C, did you ever get your SPY calls? Man, if Tesla's like this, we'll hit a new high today and hit 200 bucks. This is crazy. Tech and Money's telling you good stuff, Blair. HSLS didn't get it. Vino is also halted. Yeah, Vino's halted. RSLS also halted, but I would be careful with that. That thing is moving dollars, and you don't have a high until $8, $9 from now. So, oh, you wanted those calls right at 410. Never got 410. Yeah, I know that sucks. So Tesla SPY out of the gates pushing. Only up 200 bucks right now. Hesitating getting in on SHTS 242. Yeah, I almost hesitated too, but I took it small size just because I thought it could squeeze. I did get in a little late though on the HSCS. I got in almost right before the high just to get the push through high day, but man, Tesla, dude. Tesla's just literally surprising me every single day. If I would have had a bullish mentality the last 3 days on Tesla, probably would have bought every single dip. Absolutely perfect. But that being said, though, this is still looking strong today. This out of the gates, just no pullback down. Let's see if we have an actual 5-minute pullback or a little bit better of a pullback, and see if we can get a long back up to see how high we can get this one to go. Wow, boy, I wonder if you got your video calls down there. PXMD spike. So I actually took PXMD to put RSLS here. Is this 1 minute bar? Yes, this is a 1 minute chart. Dude, every dip on Tesla's getting bought up. This retest of kind of like pre-market high can't even get down to that level. And low volume pullback on that previous red candle, and even this one right now. Now that it's going green, it's increasing, but man, I bought and sold. Now I'm back in. Okay. SPY is having a little better pullback than Tesla. Finally showing some stuff signs on Tesla up here, but Carvana is on my momentum scanner. Is Carvana moving? Again? CVNA. Oh my gosh, that stock is like a freaking cockroach. Carvana's like a literally a cockroach. You step on it, just walks away. You kick it, it walks away. You spray it, it walks away. You shoot at it, it walks away. You beat it with a broom, it walks away. What else? What else do you guys do with cockroaches? You feed it to your cat, or your cat plays with it, it walks away. Your dog steps on it, eats it, it walks away. You smack it with the chancla, it walks away. Come on, I don't want to sit here at $200 on the day waiting for this freaking Tesla to set up a trade. RSLS looks at resume, going into another possible halt. Nope, that thing might just, well, actually it's trying to. La chancla, dude, that's the most deadly weapon on earth. It's the deadliest weapon on earth. Deadliest weapon known to man. You ever see Ninja Warrior? That was the deadliest weapon they ever had in that show. Can you imagine that? Juan Trey's the cheat might not know what a chancla is. I don't want to know what the chancla is, dude. 96, 97 on Tesla. Yeah, I could see that. I could see 195 a little bit before. That might be where it got stuck at. Yeah, 195.02 right now. But this is still strong. I think it's still strong, unless everything sells off like crazy right now. But it's getting stuffed here. Volume was dying, so if you see the volume dying, usually I want it in a pullback because nobody's buying, but the volume was dying on the way up, so that's also telling me that nobody else was buying. So that could also be a problem. But this seems to still be holding, so this little dip on Tesla right here, just pre-market high, just gets eaten up. I'm in some Tesla long again off of that 191. Not selling any yet. I want to see if this shoots up back to high a day. Well, I sold a little bit, but I have 300 shares left. If this thing wants to be strong, this one could keep running, so I'm going to try to hold these 300 shares. What is my cost basis? Why is it so low? 192.87. Tesla's pretty strong. SPY just shot up straight to high a day. Nvidia did the same thing. So come on, Tesla. This is what I'm talking about. I'm in some shares here long on Tesla, but everything else is spiking and Tesla is already not. So 196.76 is a high from yesterday, right? 196.76. That's right there. I think that was a high. 196.75. Yeah. So we are actually pretty close. If we get over these levels here, this one could really run to $200 today. I think I had the mentality of going short again. Maybe other people did too, and this is going to make another squeeze to finally hit that $200. Here it goes, here it goes. I don't want to sell right away, but I'm going to sell a little bit more. I want to see this up to 196.76, and honestly, I want to see this thing goes 200 today now. I want to see a big pull away here. SPY really did climb up to high day. Nvidia did too. Come on, Tesla. Get me one last run out of here. We want to see 196.76. We want to see a new high. We want to see a new high. We want to see a new high. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Here it goes. Here it goes. Trying to pull away. Trying to start that pull away motion here. If it does it, it's going to go straight to 196.76. We got 9 seconds here, though. I want to see it pull away here. There it goes. A little bit. A little bit. A little bit. A little bit. I'm about to be $1,000 on the day, but I don't want to just close it because I'm 1,000 again. I'll scale out a little bit. I don't want to also don't want to repeat what I did yesterday. I'm not selling. 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 But come on, today, oh my God, our RSLS is still going. Tesla's still holding. Look at this move here. You see it tries to push down and it just doesn't. It just gets slurped right back up, and look at this, about to go back up to new high. I'm telling you, I want to see 196.76 on Tesla today. It is getting steeper though, and it's not pulling away, so I'm gonna be careful. Holding through this pullback here, holding through this pullback. I want to see if buyers come back in. I want to see if buyers come back in, push this over 195 again. I want to see if buyers push it back up to 195. Look at this little volume pullback on these two red candles. Honestly, if this starts getting close to 196 again, I might add as a breakout on Tesla this time. Like, I might buy as soon as it goes to 196. See if I can get the break and see if I can get a nice pull away to where I can take some of those shares as a runners. More sellers are coming in here, so if this goes, it's going to go 200 past 196. Look at that buyer step in right there. I'm gonna close it for now. 800 bucks. Let's get the bigger pullback. It wants to keep pulling down a little bit. Let's get the bigger pullback. Okay, so there, nice little sell off there. Got out just in time. Got out just in time. Anybody getting in on RSLS? No, but that thing went straight up. I really didn't think that either. So, but even where it's at, you still have $8 to back to a high day. So, I'd be pretty careful on that thing. Tesla though, I'm looking for. Let's see if we reclaim 195. I'm taking log 195 to 197. I'm up $800 on the day. I could catch one good trade. What is your leverage? Leverage size, please. No leverage. SPY gonna fall today. Gene curling back up. I don't know what the price of the offering was on Gene though. SPY gonna fall today. SPY needs to hold above 410 today. So as long as it stays above 410, I would be a little glad, or I'd be happy with SPY if we're still, considered bullish. Come on, Tesla. We can get 196.76. I think it still needs to pull back a little more though. And SPY had a big rejection, 414. Here it goes. Tesla breaks this, reclaims 195. I'm long to 197. Gene beast mode. Is it really doing much? Thing has an offering. What is the offering price? Do you guys know? Oh, SPY is coming back up. SPY, nice engulfing candle there. Morning, everybody on TikTok, whoever's coming in late, everybody on YouTube or Tradecaster who's coming in late. You guys enjoy your day now. I gotta go do work. We're bullish, my man. The date today with the job reports is actually good. Oh yeah, we got those reports here pretty soon, right, Zach? Is it exactly at 9 a.m.? Jing offering is $1.30. Why is this thing up at $2.40? Alright, here goes Tesla. Watch this high day, and let's see if we reclaim 195 and can get a move to 196.97. No trade, no trade. Big rejection though. Don't tell me this is actually going to be the top end on Tesla and we're not going to get that 200. Employment number was out of 8:30 Eastern, stronger than expected, which is not good for stocks, but the Fed wants the economy to cool off. I appreciate all you guys giving me the news because I don't check news at all. So thank you guys, thank you guys. Tesla, you see all these shorts in here at 195. You see people trying to defend 195. If we get out of 195, we could have a straight shot to 200 for one last Tesla run. Just maybe we could get it. Just maybe we could get it. HSCS potential, over 265. I would look at HSCS right now. Vino is also kind of climbing back up. Vino has a lot of room to the highs as well. Doesn't mean you can't find trades, but if this one goes sideways, this would be a good one for later in the day, or even if it climbs all the way back up, or even tomorrow. So for Vino, I think that could set up a nice inside bar play. Tesla tries to push down every time, and it just look at this hammer candle. Look at this hammer candle forming. I'm not gonna jump in it just because I see those, but I'm not liking this. I don't see clean levels here, not until 191. I wouldn't like it to push down that much, but that's all I see. Yeah, the non-farm payroll numbers showed a very strong labor market, but still, as long as wage inflation doesn't increase, the market will do just fine. Feds are more worried about the wage inflation. Tesla's still trying to pull back, still trying to hold a little bit. $191 could be a nice place to take a dip. I'm up $800 on the day and still haven't taken another trade, but I want to see if Tesla gets one more last push. I feel like everybody wants Tesla 200, and if we don't get it close to here, we ain't gonna get it if we keep trying like this. For some reason, a SPY can't get over 414 though. It went right back up to that level and then sold off. Okay, nice bounce there on Tesla. I want to see this back up to 195 though. I can't find a trade in here. I would love to trade from 195 to 197. In the meantime, I don't see anything obvious. Is there anything else popping up? I see on my momentum scanner. You guys can see it. That's what Thomas was asking about. A couple of stocks, but sometimes they're just not good. Like GOOS, $20 stock going straight up. Eh. You need volume. TWOU. Same thing. Gene looks like a good entry here. Gene, actually. It's like 2-1. Okay, Tesla, here we go. Come on, Tesla, give me a nice trade up here. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is gonna absolutely squeeze to 296, isn't it? Oh, but SPY flushed. What the heck? That's what I don't understand. That's what I don't understand and I hate. That was bad. I gave back like 150 bucks there. I just thought it was getting ready to rip. But then I looked at SPY and SPY was absolutely flushing. I gotta stop doing that, I guess. But I'm still here. I'm still here. Today's a weird day. Gene spike again. Did you get that dip? Somebody was mentioning that dip. 212, I said. I just really want 195. I could think we get a nice run to 197 on Tesla if I get this straight up here. Gene had in the same time positive news. I'm up 533. I need your course for real. Hey, you got the discount running right now. You got it. PMI was good and non-farm was good, but SPY dumped both times. I don't understand. I mean, as long as I'm over 191 here on Tesla, I'm still bullish to 200, I think. Over 191, I'm still. TOS paper platform is lagging. They are working on it again. Gene is a stock we used to see a lot of years ago. It always sold off in the past. I'm short this one. Oh, okay. Yeah, and with the offering being down to 1, actually, as a matter of fact, look at Tesla still trying to hold. I'm looking for this kind of move here where it just pulls away, pulls away, pulls away, pulls away from 195 to 197. Ripping off a earnings miss. We're living in a bizarre world. SPY, look at that, engulfing candle right back up. SPY gets over 414. I'm long Tesla 195 to 197. Same plan. And Nvidia's, or no, that's not Nvidia. That's Carvana. I don't know why I got Carvana. Carvana looks like a nice flag, actually. This time I'm gonna wait a little bit better for the entry because I bought it almost right at the top. I think I thought at least could double tap that level up there. Here goes Tesla again. 195. We gotta get out of 195. Shorts. You can short all you want at 200. Just let us get the trade to 200. Stupid idiots. Let me see. Gene, you just called that out, Thomas. Look at that. He literally just said I'm short. I'm short on Gene. Look at it. I was like, you know what? Just because the offering is down to 1.6, I might short that too, and missed it. I might, if I catch a Bob 212, I might short some Gene, but let me see what the 4 cents a penny. Dang. Tesla's still flagging here. Spy right back down. What the heck, man? Why can't we just get a nice day? Small caps though, Vino sold off. Gene sold off. Vino actually aggressive sell off. That's kind of bad. HSCS kind of holding a little bit, but 265 was the level that I was looking at. I don't know if you guys remember that. This thing ran straight into 265 and then ran straight back down, just like a cockroach. It runs away. Not seeing anything, guys. Even from the gappers this morning, we could tell it was kind of slow. If anybody's new to the stream, welcome in. Do this every day. Gave everything back on paper. First red day in a while. Negative 17. That's a small day. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you guys are having fun. Hopefully you guys are learning. My neck is absolutely killing me. Tesla, I'm still looking. 195, 197. Look at all these wicks right here. If I get out of that level and retest that level, I am in for a long to 197. But I need volume. This one was a nice push. That was strong volume. These were not right now. Honestly, at this point, the short looks a little more convincing. Just risk this level and go short right here. I was up unrealized 1,000. Realized I was up 800, and now I'm up 660. Vino resumed. I saw it resumed and went straight down. Small spike. Did you? I don't ever recommend buying resumption from a halt if they halted down. That's just gambling. Unless it goes to a super important level and you see it holding for a second or two, but not like it resumes. Oh, I'm in. We'll never do that. BBAI potential. I would love to make more than 600 bucks today. Oh, BBAI. BBAI has a recent high as well. Volume on Tesla is dying. Oh, one of you guys just got it? Got it? Awesome. Whoever just got that, make sure you guys join the link in the beginning of the videos. So make sure you join the link there. You go straight into a private Discord and you can ask me any questions, all you want. And that goes for everybody else. Oh, Tesla, come on. Volume is increasing now a little bit. Come on, let's get this push out of 195. This goes for everybody else. If you guys are new to trading, want to learn how to day trade, and are interested in having a mentor to help you along the way, I offer my course with everything you need. Okay, come on, Tesla. Oh my gosh. There's like it does a little thing where it glitches a new low without hitting a new low. That sometimes I like to think that is literally. Sometimes I like to think that that's literally big orders or just keeping it down or trying to sell it off or something. That's what I think sometimes. Dude, how is this? At least even if we don't get the move up though, I think we could get a big move in either direction and we could be able to follow it. You know what I mean? Like, if this breaks here and just absolutely stuffs, okay, let's follow it back down to VWAP. If this breaks here, gives me a nice trade here, alright, follow it to new high of day. I'm still watching, I'm trying to do something though. I was trying to look at the puts on Tesla again to maybe scale in some more long term, but kind of using that 200 as my level. Yeah, alright, Tesla, here we go. Down or up? Down or up? Down or up right here. Got coffee, what I'd miss. Tech and money. Nothing. Look at Tesla. Exactly at the same price that you left. I do still think we need a red day, so if this literally just does not break out, we could sell off on Tesla pretty big if we're not just not going to get that $200 price. I'm looking just for one last leg, hit that $200 just so everybody can say, oh, we did hit $200 and then sell off. So tight flag here on Tesla. I think out of this flag, I could get a big move either direction. And I can do it both. I can go long, I can go short. Here goes, here goes. Is this another false breakout? I would like it over 195. Is this the one? Is this the one? Wow. Looking for the trade though. $196.76. Come on. I think everybody wants 196.76 here. Close over 195.68. I can smell shorts all in this thing right now. Come on. Straight to 197. Straight to 197. Come on, come on. Not selling, not selling. Come on. There it goes. 197. 197. Straight to 197. There it is. I have 200 shares left still. It's not a lot. I didn't jump big size again, but it was like not really clean entry. I don't think. Where's 200? 200 is way up there still, dude. That's so much. Seems like so much. Another high. Selling a little more at that high. There's a new high. Let's see if we pull away. There it goes. I'm telling you, this is a penny stock. A 100 shares left. Another high. Those are all the shorts that wanted to get in this thing. There they are. There they are. All the shorts at 195. There they are. Here they are. 198, 199, 200. Let's go. Break of 198. Could go straight 199. Look at that. 197.99. Holy crap. 198 break. 1,000 orders on the ask. What the heck? And fills him like nothing. Again, there was a big ask on Tesla again. And look at it. I'm telling you, 195 straight to 197. More like 195 straight to freaking 198. Or 199 at this point. Look at this. Oh my gosh, gosh dang, man. Give me the 1.2k. Give me the 1.2k. $8 away. $7 away. Come on. $5 away. $4 away. $3 away. I can't. There we go. Oh no, I missed it by. Oh, are you kidding me, dude? By $2, I missed it. If it hits 198.75, you're short. I'd be careful, dude. I'd be careful. This thing wants 200. I'd be careful. But it makes me want to buy puts. It makes me want to buy a put spread. This is gonna go 200. It's gonna do it. Who else caught that move? Did anybody catch that move? Anybody caught that move with me? I've been saying 195 straight to 197. You got your fingers on the trigger for puts right now? I tried getting a put spread, but it's not filling me. I don't think it's gonna fill me. It's too crazy right now. It's like either I lose 900 or max profit is like 1600. This actually is gonna hit 200 real quick. Brian got in since the flag. You're at 197. Good stuff, man. If we just get 200, it might be short time. I'm up 1.2 on the day, but if I could trade this, another time and catch a nice move down after this whole move up, or even a little bit more pressure going higher. 200 is right there. We're $1 away. How do I get Thinkorswim, bro? You just open an account and you can download it. Tesla, I'm still watching it, man. It could still just, it's got $1 more to 200. I'm not gonna say who did it, but somebody's asking me for, oh my gosh, look at Vino. Somebody's asking me for private coaching. I don't really do private coaching. The only private coaching I do is to everybody in my mentorship. You know, if you got quick questions, just ask me. You know, I'm not going to charge you if it's like a 5-10 minute answer or question, or I could just answer real quick. If you really want like one-on-one, like, hey, let me take a look at your trades, let me do all this, let me, you know, the only way, honestly, is I can do it through my course. And the only reason why is because I know what I'm teaching on the course. I know what you're going to be looking at, I know what you're going to be studying at, and then that way I'll know and be like, hey, no, go back to that video and then check this out, or go back to that video and then check that out, you know. That's the only reason why. But you know, any other questions, just ask me, guys. What is your account size? My account size, I can tell you, it at least got $1,198 with 83 cents. I can tell you that much. Spy still having trouble. 415 waiting to buy 195 puts on Tesla. You could also buy 0 ODTs, right? Is that how this works? How does this work? Like, you could buy 0 ODTs right now back down to 190, $70 each. Those, if it goes back down to 190, those could go pretty good, right? I don't know how those really work. You're looking 0 ODT, which ones? I have 195, okay. Yeah, I did think it could go back to 195. We could scale into some of those and see if we make some money. Like, we could take one right now and see what happens. It's only like 70 bucks. 190. Oh wow, now it's it's 190? Did it just go from 70 bucks to 190? No, I didn't do that. Maybe I looked at the 190s. 190, $70. Let's do one of these. 70 bucks. Okay, I'll lose 70 bucks. $72. That's all I can lose. Taking money, nice trade. I just saw that. Thank you, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Spy finally added 415. Tesla, do we get 200? We are $1 away, man. We're literally just $1 away. Awesome to watch. Thank you, man. What puts did you take? 190, 0 ODTs. Oh wow, that's probably a pretty bad idea. 190 is way down there. 195 would be better, but it's $72, and honestly, I think this could get that $200 in. You need SPY to go to 434 so you can be break even today? Why is that? 196.76 was also the previous high a day on Tesla. This is literally consolidating here with low volume. If this was to give me a nice flush down for a nice entry, maybe 196 for the next leg up. If we get 200, I could see that. You think buyers are gonna let this thing go so easily? I don't think so. I think 1-200. It's $1 away. There's that 196.76. Oh, have y'all seen that TikTok song from Shakira? It's funny. It's like everywhere. You know what I've realized? Every time I take a Tesla trade, a dip trade on Tesla now, I give the profits back on those. I don't know why. I did it every single day. Like I'm trying to buy the dip and it just dips a little more, just a little more. Sing it. It's the one that goes like, "Esto es pa que te mortifiques, mastiques, tragues, traga, mastiques." What part of Mexico is your family heritage from? My heritage or where I was actually born? I was born over there. Bizarrap. I just have a good habit of wiping out a week of profits with one bad trade. Oh no, man. But 434, how do you have it so high? It hasn't hit 434 in a while. You guys laughing at my singing or what? Yeah, I was born over there. Will you trade crypto, bro, especially Bitcoin? No, I will not. Awesome to watch. Appreciate it, man. I am up 1 point. Actually, I was up almost 1.2, but I gave some back. I'm up $1,075 today. What part of Mexico? It's close to the city, but because if I told you, you probably wouldn't know. It's called Hidalgo. You guys want to know where I actually was born? So here is Mexico, right? We live somewhere in this. I live somewhere in this area, in one of these 4 cities. Where do some of you guys live? Let's see. Zach. Zach is somewhere. Oh frick, Zach. It's either. It's the. Oh, Minnesota. Minnesota, right? Who else? Mersa. Mersa. Oh, Mersa, are you in here, Mersa? Mersa, are you still in my streams, man? Edmonton, Canada. Okay, I don't know where that is, but let's see if I can quickly find Edmonton. Anyways, oh yeah, I was supposed to show you where I'm from. So this is Mexico City. This is Hidalgo. I'm from right there. Let's see if I can find the town. But oh, right here. This is a tiny little town that I was born in, guys. Tulancingo. Oh, look at that barbacoa place. Look at that, look at that. Aurrera, that's like HEB over there. Or Walmart, but, you know, except not a first world, second world country. Phoenix, Arizona. Okay, we got some Arizona people in here. Arizona, Phoenix. Bro, I bet I can find your house, dude. Renete Torres. Tesla's just going sideways. Sorry, guys. I bet I can find your house. You live in Phoenix, Arizona, but you live where everybody likes to live, which is Scottsdale, right on the corner of Golden Keys, 64th Street, and Thomas. You live right here in Catalina Drive. This is where your house is. Argent Trader, this is where you live. I found your house. I can see you trading right there. I see the red in your P&L. Tesla, what are we doing? We going back down, going back up? What? Are we holding this 195 now? Idaho boys, watch Asia. Everybody's telling me where they're from. Michigan. Zach, did Zach reply? No, Zach left. Tucson, Arizona here. Okay, okay. Rome C. Arizona myself too. There you go. Oregon for tech and money. Kendall's going in a meeting. Oh wow, I called you Kendall without realizing, and I was like, your name's not Kendall, it's Jessica. And then I looked at your name and it said Jessica Kendall, and I was like, I don't know how I remember that. Gio, I knew you were Chilango. A mountain boy. Cheetown, baby. I'm in Medellin. It's not cold here. I think it's finally decent weather today, so I'm gonna go out. Oh, I was trying to tell Mersa because I finally spent some money with my my trading profits. I finally bought something, and I was trying to tell Mersa because Mersa would guess it. I don't buy things often. Can anybody guess what I bought? What is the thing that I bought myself with my trading profits? Am I the only Canadian in here? I doubt it. I'm sure there's more people from Canada in here. Paddleball paddle? Paddleball paddle. No. A PS5. Oh heck no, dude. I got this massive freaking overkill PC. This is where I play games in. I always thought you bought an F-150. Worst car maker ever. Not buying a Ford ever in my life. Unless it's a Ford Bronco. And then I'll take the freaking Ford emblem off and put something else. Just kidding. What is that? Camera? Is that a camera? No, a bike. No. Didn't buy a bike. Didn't buy an F-150. It's more of a toy. Oh, motorcycle. A lot of two guys said motorcycle. Oh, there you go. Fat G's Canadian. Oh, I didn't know that, Fat G. Or maybe I did and I forgot. Somebody said I bought eggs. Dude, actually I did buy eggs last time I went to the grocery store. A Lambo. Dude, somebody guessed it. Yeah, I didn't realize how ballin' I was, huh? Let me import my trades. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter how I trade or what I trade, or what share size I use. Somehow I always end at $1,000 days now. I don't know how, but it's just always $1,000 days. Let's see. On the week, 3K. Last week, 4.7K. Week before that, 2.2. Week before that, 3K. Week before that, 2. A part of me again wants to keep trading to get this $1,000 to maybe a 2K day, but then a part of me is also telling me, dude, it's Friday, just call it a week. $250K a year incoming. If I make 1,000 every day without losing, right? $1,000 times 5 times 52. Yeah, 260. No, I'm trying to scale up a little bit. At least I'm averaging this $1,000 days now. Before it was like 500 to 700. Now it's like 800 to 1,000. Slowly but surely, slowly but surely. And you can see it on my trader view. So here's my last. Here's my last 30 days on TraderView. See, it used to be 500, 400, 500. Eventually, every once in a while, 600. You know, 700, and now it's 900, 975, 1200, 1200, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Yesterday was 560. Just got in the room. Is all you green on Tesla? Yeah, 1,075 on Tesla right now. There wasn't any penny stocks. I kind of wanted to see if I can take some penny stock trades. Oh, actually, no. I did take a $6 gain on HSCS. Ha, $6 right here. This is not options. This is... It's Friday, papi. Mejor échate una chela. I only had one day in January. Yeah. One day in January. Let's see. Want to give me some of your superpowers, one? Gonna try and trade some Tesla from now on. Been trading in the sim to try to get strategy down, and then start small size life. Hey, that's the main thing, man. Just trade. Wait, is that you again, man? Brad Rogers? What platform do I use? Thinkorswim. Yeah, trade small size live. That's what I recommend. Yeah, only one red date so far this year. I trade shares though. GNS. Let's look at the penny stock. See if there's anything. Vino, no. HSCS going sideways maybe. BGXX. This is the one that I'm saying. Watch for the inside bar play. I think I mentioned 1.4 level. Yeah, reclaims 1.4. Interesting. PXMD. Nothing here. Maybe some of these are the ones I should have shorted though. I haven't hit any shorts because I'm so focused on Tesla. Gene should have shorted this one of that pop. GNS is the one that Fat G's calling out. GNS daily is probably one of the weirdest dailies charts you will ever see. If you look at this thing ran again, sold it all off, went back the next day, sold half of it off, consolidated, ran again, gave it a half back, consolidated, ran again yesterday, give it all back, consolidated, and then it's still holding here. It's not like, okay, pushes, consolidates, pushes, and then boom, done. This one's like pushes, sells off, consolidates, sells off, pushes, sells off, consolidates, sells off, pushes, and keeps going. Crazy. Crazy action on this one. Tesla, look at this. Are we going for 200 again? Or is this a false breakout? And also, Shizuka stuff. You make more trading shares over options? No, you make more. Well, it. The question is, using the same capital, do you make more with shares or options? And the answer is options. With the same capital being used, you can make a lot more money with less money in options compared to shares. But I like trading shares because trading shares, there's no other factors. I don't have to stop. I don't have to keep posting the option contract in my thing. I don't gotta do any of that. Tesla looking like another long. Reclaiming this 196.76 previous high of day from 2 days ago. Broke a downtrend, so kind of looking like this area here is a buy. I forgot I have the Tesla puts. I gotta remember that because I have to close them by the end of the day, whether they're at zero or not. BBAI still popping? Oh, oh yeah, I have it on my side chart. Oh, BBAI at previous highs. Good call, Rome. Let's see. What's the previous high on this thing? 445 is what I see. Is that right? 445. Yeah, 445 is previous high on this thing. Pivot here. Let's see if we can hold this 225, 425, and go up to 445. And this one has cheap locates. I might short at that 450 level. BBAI has a previous high at 445. A lot of volume picked up here. You're kind of getting a triple top there, 435, but it might break through hit right here. There, filled all those orders. Going for 445, maybe 450. Could take a short closer to 450. This is going for that high. This one is kind of strong on the daily, but I would hate this. Thinkorswim is being a nightmare for me. Why is that right now? What's happening? For me, it hasn't messed up today, so wonder if it's the platform or internet issues or something like that. I don't know. BBAI looking to see this thing wants to go to 450 to smash it with some shorts. Quick stop over 450, but this one sold off pretty aggressively not too long ago. Kind of held the lows, not just learning the platform more. Not just learning the platform. Oh, did you just switch to Thinkorswim, Alec? Dude, if you have any questions with the platform, just let me know. There it is. Watch this. 450 break. Watch the 450 break. There it goes. Does it stuff or does it actually squeeze? Terrible fills though. I got like 450. Oh, actually no. 52. This one still wants to go, I think. It's holding 450 now. So 450 was 440 high. 445 was the previous high. 450 is the level now to hold. Look at that. Holds 450. Look at the bids at 451 there. Well, I didn't expect that. Stopped out. Oh, you can get one-on-one. 97% insider ownership on this one? Oh, dang, I didn't know that. But look at this, going straight up though. Let's see other daily levels. We tried that 450, didn't work. Stop out real quick. Wow, next thing down to like 474 over here. After that, kind of like 540. Kevin, what's up? Are you looking at BBAI, Kevin? What's your made 195? I think yesterday you make more. Okay, I read those questions on TikTok. Kevin, you got any historical price action on BBAI by any chance? Anything to help me out? $5 way up here though. Are you gonna short it? No edge for you today. Yeah, I didn't hit any shorts, but this one I took one right now at 450, stopped out like 460. 10-cent loss there, not bad. I just thought it was gonna keep running, so I stopped out real quick, and it did go to 470, so I stopped out pretty decent, I guess. But I am looking for this one to hit it again. Seeing if I get one more extension out. 474, kind of another daily level, but here we go, watching here, see if I get a new high I can add. There's 474. Exactly 474 off a daily. A lot more sellers coming in here now. Let's see if I can get a pushback down to 450. Oh man, I've sat so much this last week, man. I have not gone anywhere because of freaking ice storm, so my back is killing me. As far as my long trading account though, I'm probably done trading longs today. I'm not going to touch that account anymore. 4 digits today, Friday, closing shop. Don't think I need to overstay my welcome. Short account, I just hadn't taken any trades the last 2 days, and BBI is popping off a little bit. Trying to see if I can get a quick rejection here. Took the loss on the first trade, but now I'm in it again. Let's see if I can make some of that money back. Tesla's riding a perfect uptrend right now. Oh, what the heck? Okay. I would love this thing to go under 450 though. I don't like that recovery. I want it under 450. Somebody did say institutional ownership, so they could just be playing games here. Could be toying with me, toying with everybody else. Tesla still riding it. Wants to break down though. I don't think Tesla's gonna hit that 200 today. I think let me see. I think what you're saying is hold on. I'm gonna put BBI right here. You're saying this trend line, right? And it just cracked it on Tesla. There goes BBAI. Again, let's see if we get one more ad on this thing. Maybe one last squeeze on this thing. 475 breaks. It might shoot up pretty nice again for one more ad. Anybody trying to short BBII, or is it just me? Yeah, I don't know. I'm hoping get my paper account with Litco. Supply for just a nightmare for me. If you need any help like setting Thinkorswim down, I can help you out, man. How much did you initially invest when you started trading? Hope this is not too personal. I was over PDT when I first started. I'm looking for the move up to 5 now. Let's see if we get the move up to 5. Don't tell me now you're actually gonna fail, because I'm not in it now. I'm all out right now. SPY, a pretty big sell-off there. Looking like it wants to fall off a cliff there. Maybe Tesla might do the same thing, so I wouldn't be opposed to some Tesla shorts here. We didn't get 200, we got 199. Decently closed. I think buyers tried it again. I could see Tesla and SPY pull back down a little bit. BBAI, at some point this is going to pull down though, I think. Thomas, just you? What do you mean? Just me? Oh, just me. You're not shorting it. Why are you not trading Forex anymore? Dude, I don't think I ever traded Forex real money. I liked stocks better. Thomas, why are you staying away from this one? Institutional ownership? Thomas, you're a full... Oh, you deleted that message? You're a full short, right? That's all you do? Escapate. I didn't used to trade Forex. I got into all of this because of Forex. So when I first got into like trading at all, my friends were I think I saw them on their stories. They're like, "Oh, dude, look, this guy made $3,000 trading Forex," you know. And so I was like, "What is that?" And so I started researching it. And I mean, I did paper trading in Forex when I started. I remember doing a paper trading account and I was trading Forex, but I never put the real money into Forex account. And when I was learning Forex, whether it was on YouTube or just anything in general, that's when I was like, oh, look at stocks. What is stocks? Is it the same thing, similar? And so I started looking at stocks, and honestly, I have no idea why I completely switched, because at that point I hadn't traded any real or fake money on any of them. And God, my back is killing me, guys. Maybe move through 5 on BBAI. That's it. And so I started looking at it, and I don't know why I switched to stocks. Did stocks, opened the real account with stocks, and just traded stocks. Never went back to forex. Plus forex, I got so many like forex. I got like so many like scams. You know, every time you try to go anything on forex, is all pyramid schemes. Like literally every single thing on forex is like, oh dude, look, if you get somebody involved, you also get money from them, and if you get them, they get somebody involved, then you also get money from them, you know. So it was like, I'm not learning how to trade, I'm learning how to convince people to do random stuff. Quick review of UPS, what the heck is up with UPS? Let me see. UPS, I think I might have looked at UPS on the daily, resistance at 191.5. I am in on BBAI, but only half size now at 493. Didn't get my full size in. I thought it was going to get through 5 this time. BBI is AI play, way too hard right now. Not look at symbol AI. Oh, I see. I think so, but I think you could get some pullbacks here. Oh, AI is actually pulling on down. You can also request to remove delayed and make paper real time. So many tabs and drop menus. Tried fixing my page and ended up reset. Alec, if you need some help setting up Thinkorswim, I can help you, man. Or actually, if you're if you're interested in literally learning everything about Thinkorswim that I know of, it's in my course. My course literally covers everything in Thinkorswim. That goes for everybody as well. Course, 150 off discount at checkout page. 150 no space off. You get $150 off. Full course, full navigation of Thinkorswim and strategies and basic info and complicated magic info that tells you what the stock is gonna do. Deck Mark trades in the house. Happy Friday, traders. We're locking in, getting green and locking it in. I know about paying for real-time quotes is more navigating the platform. Tesla dumping. Dude, again, man, again. Wait, let's look up. Oh, my puts are up. My puts are making money right now. BBAI, I'm almost back in the green with this trade, only I took it half size, so that was a little bit frustrating. But against 5 worked. I tried it 450, didn't work, and then I tried it at 5, and it's working. Now I'm in the green. Tesla though, strong little pivot there at that 195.66 on Tesla. If we lose 195.66 on Tesla, it could keep going down lower. Oh wow, this is about to rip. Look at this rip. Watch, maybe high day. This is gonna go through 5. Oh, I wanted to take it on here. I want to take it on here. I want to take it on here. I can't do it. I assume Juan will never DM you first. Guys, I will never DM you guys first, ever. I try to post in that on Discord every once in a while, but guys, I will never DM any of you guys first. Can you answer, bro? What's your biggest profit from one trade? How did you come with the funds to trade? I used to do a lot of work. So I used to work at a restaurant. I started as a busboy, collected tips, collected, obviously, this was during high school, so I saved a lot of money. And then I started getting into doing some pressure washing. So I did some pressure washing, I did some painting, I did some fixed a couple of houses or worked on some houses. Painted the walls. I did the flooring a couple times. But I was a big saver. I was a big saver. Even since I was little, I was always drawn to money. Like, I kid you not, everybody like knew that I wanted, money for my presents, or if I had money, I wouldn't spend it and save it, and all that kind of shenanigans. So here goes BBAI again. I'm looking for the move through 5 now. There's 5. A lot of short orders came in there at 5, even after it hit a little bit past 5. This could go for another run though, so just watching. AI actually is hitting highs. BBI is still strong. Thomas is right. Thomas. Now it's squeezing shorts out of here. I could see this one of those moves though that the second it loses its momentum, it could spike down so hard, or flush down so hard. Sorry. If I was looking for a long though, I'd look for the $5 hold number to hold. New high coming. Look at this. This is looking like Tesla now too. SPY moving back on up. Tesla holding that 195.66. I mentioned, watch that level. Could bounce there, bounce again there, back up to 196.80. A little bit of a bounce, but still bouncing. The only thing I'm looking at is BBAI. But this one's still pretty strong. But, this thing really went from like 390s up to 520s with just one pullback. There it goes. There's a $5. $5 is where you want to buy if you're long. Even a tiny bit lower to like 495. tape, a little bit of switch there, looking more heavy, feeling more heavy. Is the sellers want to break a 5. Buyers want to hold 5, so this will decide here. Oh. AI going to 30. Oh, the other stock. Hasn't this been running a couple days though? Or was it just today? Yeah, this thing went from lows of 14 and now it's almost double. But you are right, Thomas. Way to stay away from it. Smart man, Thomas. Smart man. I had a 539 level. I don't know if that's a daily. I kind of was a daily, but didn't expect it to go right 4 cents underneath it. Go under 5. Go under 5. Go under 5. That's pretty big stuff at that 535 level. We need to crack $5 here. If I was a buyer, I would not buy with that stuff there. Now, if this for some reason holds, and that's maybe people like institutional buying a lot and holding $5 because they have the money to hold $5 if they wanted to. But I would really like to see this under 5. Here goes 5. Let's see how many orders are there. 501, 30s, 13. Now you look at the bids if you're shorting like this. When I'm going long, I look at the ask to fill the ask. When I'm looking short, I want the bids to fill. So I want sell orders to come in through down here. There's 5. See how many orders there is? 100 filled. There we go. There's a crack. Let's keep it running though. Let's keep it running. I'm back in the green now, decently. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Oh yeah, give it to me, 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 give it to me. I think my stream froze a little bit there. Sorry guys. My neck is killing me, my back is killing me, guys. Once I get out of this trade or put a stop in place, I'm literally going to peace out, skedaddle out of here, and I will see you guys on Monday. So, I think some of you guys most of you guys probably already left too. So. Nice trade, Juan. I was opposite you in 505 out 499 with a hard stop, trying to improve on taking good losses instead of letting them go spiral. Hey, there you go. Good stuff, man. Give it to me. Give it to me. No homo. I will say I took a lot of paper cuts though on this one. I took the 450 paper cut, and I think I added again here. Took the paper cut there, and then I added up here somewhere. And now I'm back in the green. And this green is right now putting me green, even with the paper cuts. Yeah, you get 100k. You get either 100 or 200k cash. Don't forget, we're still in a bear market. This is calm before the storm. You're using AI to show how. No, I'm not. The stock is AI. There's a stock AI that I was watching. I'm still in this though. I want to take maybe a little bit out here if I get this down to 474, and then put my stop in place and just forget about it. See if this thing wants to sell off or go back down to VWAP. Here it goes. You can see sell orders increasing there. There goes the bids. Trying to fill some of those, didn't quite fill them. Another attempt here, 45 there at 483. Nope. Let's see. So I'm gonna put my stop and forget about this one. I put my stop way up here. Oh frick. Alright guys, so stop in place, green on the trade. A little paper cuts on the way up, but I'm gonna forget about this and come back later and see if this is down to 450 or something like that. Daily tells me this thing could pull back to 450, so we'll see if that happens. I forgot about, oh, I was gonna say, well actually AI is coming back to a high, so that's weird. I forgot had Tesla puts, so I also have to remember those. Anyways, guys, up another 4-digit day today, locking it for the week. I think up 3K this week. I had some red days. I thought you were a legit trader, Juan. Didn't know you used AI to trade. Yeah, that was somebody on TikTok, but I think because I mentioned AI, so they thought I said looking at AI to do this trade or something. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna call it there for today. If you guys, wow, AI is actually hitting a high though, but BBAI is not. AI is squeezing Rome C. Are you in no, Thomas, are you in AI long since you mentioned it? I'm gonna leave my stop though. AI is hitting highs though. Thomas, are you in AI? You mentioned AI to 30 and you said it like 26 and this is still going. Anyways, I'm gonna head off. Tesla, maybe the range on Tesla right now is over 198.6. I could see it go to 199.200. Under 195.6, I could see this down again to 190 VWAP down there area. Have a great weekend, Colin. Thank you, man. Thank you for saying that. All of you guys have a great weekend. You guys know where to find me. If you guys are interested in my course, 150 off is a discount. You type in 150 OFF at the checkout page of my course, and you get that. It goes from straight beginner strategies, patterns, psychology, everything you need to know, plus full mentorship. So I know that's a lot of people that are taking advantage of that. I review their trades. I hop on calls with them, anything like that, anything they need. So really working with them and tweaking things. So all of that included with the course. You get into a private Discord, and that's how I communicate with you guys. Anyways, you guys have a good rest of your day. I will see you guys on... Oh, actually, before I do that, what do you guys think of this? Please tell me you guys like them. How is this? You guys like this? Is this dope? Is this awesome? I know it doesn't have my logo, I know, but Does anybody like these? Or are you guys not coffee drinkers? And if you're not, how you like bears more? If you're not a bull, here we go. What do you guys think? You could do without the green handle, but then it'll be black or white. I like it like this. So you start retail business. I like these. I want to try to sell these. I'll make some with my logo too, but it's hard. But I like these. Black handle. Dang it. I didn't think of that. Oh well. 506. Alright guys, you guys take care and I'll see you guys on Monday. You guys have a great weekend. If you guys have any questions, find me on my Discord. I'm bullish all the way. Bears for Tesla. Trade gold, bro. I don't like gold. Anyways, you guys better buy some mugs when I put them out. You guys have a good one. What was I gonna say? You guys have a good weekend. Don't fall for any scams, guys. I will never DM you guys first, ever. So if you get DM from somebody that has Swan trades, that is not me. You guys take care, and I'll see you guys on Monday.